So in this video, let's create a two-dimensional array. So I want to create a two-dimensional array which has two rows. Okay, I'll consider the first row containing elements as 1, 2, 3, and the second row containing elements as 4, 5, 6. Okay, so I can consider this as a matrix as well. A matrix, the order of this matrix is 2 by 3, containing 2 rows and 3 column elements. Okay, so let's create this. I'll consider ARR as the name of the array, and np dot array of, okay, since we are creating a two-dimensional array, this is a structure, right? An array containing 2 rows, okay, or a matrix containing 2 rows. So in the first row we have 3 column elements. They are 1, 2, 3, and the second row has got column elements 4, 5, 6. Okay, now we can print this particular array. Print of ARR. So let's execute this and see the result. You can see this is the array, right? Now suppose, how can I print the first element in the array? Only one element. I just wanted to print this one. Okay. So in that case, we can write like this. Print of ARR of, this is located in the 0th row. And the column element is also 0th column element. Yes or no? So this is considered as the 0th row, and this element is the 0th column element. So let's execute and see the result. You can see one is appearing here. Suppose if you want to display 2, okay, I'll display all these elements one after the other. You can see here. So if I write array of 0, 1, in that case, we can display the next element, that is 2. Okay. So similarly, you can also display element number 3 by writing column value as 2. So 3 is located in the 0th row and second column element 0, 1, 2, right? Like this. Let's execute and see. Yeah. Now similarly, if you want to display the second row and all the column elements belonging to the second row, so we just need a small modification here. I want to access the second row. It means index starts from 0, so 0, 1. 1 is representing the second row. 1 here, here also 1. Again, in the second row, there are exactly 3 column elements. So we can access them easily. So you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is how we can create a two-dimensional array and we can display all its contents like this.